Typically, we work double crochet stitches into previous stitches, so into the V at the top of a previous stitch. But sometimes the instructions tell us to work stitches between other stitches. I'm going to show you how to double crochet between stitches. I'm using American crochet terms, and I'm assuming that you know how to chain stitch and double crochet. If you need help with these or any other crochet techniques, watch my other YouTube videos or find all your answers in the Crochet Answer Book by Edie Eckman. I'm starting here with a row of regular double crochet just worked into a foundation chain. So we have some stitches to start with, and we do this on any multiple, so you can have any number of stitches to start up with. I'm going to turn and chain 3. That chain 3 is going to count as a stitch, so it counts as a double crochet. Now I'm going to double crochet into the space between the first and second double crochets. So I'm going to yarn over and put my hook right there in between the stitches. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. You can see that I have worked in between the stitches. I'll do that again. Yarn over, work right in between the posts of those stitches. I'll do that all the way across my row. This really spaces out the stitches. You can see it's much more open than it would be otherwise. When I get to the end of the row, I'm going to put the last stitch between the last double crochet and my turning chain. But I am not going to work into that turning chain. I need to make sure that I'm maintaining the same number of stitches throughout. So if I counted that turning chain as a stitch to start with, I'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 double crochets, and that's what I want to have on my second row as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So that I know I'm on the right track here. Let's do another row. Chain 3 and turn, turn and chain 3, whatever you want to call it. My first stitch goes between the first and second double crochets. This is a fast and easy way to do double crochet. You can see I work very quickly. Now I have 3 rows of double crochet between stitches. Let's take a look at what's going on here though. Notice that it's spreading out a little bit here. It's not particularly straight along my foundation chain. That's because these beginning double crochets were closer together than these double crochets in rows 2 and 3. What I really need to do is go back and work this foundation chain much more loosely to allow these double crochets to spread out a bit more. When I go back and do a much looser foundation chain and do that first row of double crochet directly into that looser foundation chain, you'll notice that it's much straighter across the bottom. It doesn't pull in like this one does. If you'd like more crochet instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.